Hello friends, welcome to Geeky YouTube channel. So this is mock test 21. 20 mock test has already been uploaded in our Geeky Banker app. So in this mock test again, we have covered around 20 questions. Questions are like, what is port number for SMTP, HTTP and Telnet? SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So port number 25 is used. Okay. SMTP 25, HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. For HTTP we use a T, and for Telnet, okay, for Telnet 23. Okay. Next question is protocol for sending and receiving mail. For sending mail, SMTP Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and for receiving mail, POP and IMAP is used. Again, the ability to recover and read deleted or damaged file from a criminal's computer is an example of a law enforcement specialty, and this is called computer forensics. ठीक है कि मान लीजिए यदि हम डिलीटेड या डैमेज्ड फाइल जो है, मान लीजिए कोई क्रिमिनल है, अटैकर है, उसने डिलीट कर रखा है अपने सिस्टम में से, और यदि उसमें से हम लोग रिकवर कर पाते हैं, ठीक है, रीड कर पाते हैं डेटा को, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड कंप्यूटर फोरेंसिक्स. ठीक है, तो दीज आर द 20 क्वेश्चंस व्हाट वी हैव कवर्ड. सो फॉर फुल वीडियो just go and download Geeky Banker app. This is just a sample video. So for downloading Geeky Banker app, just scan this code now. Just scan this code and you will be redirected to Google Play Store, and from there you can download Geeky Banker app. So go and download Geeky Banker app to watch full video. And one request from my side, that if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe this channel, and if you think that content is good, then please share the link over social media. So thanks for watching. Thanks again.